Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you a review and swatches of the new KKW lip collection by KYLIE Cosmetics. I'm also going to be giving away one of these sets in this video too, so you guys will find out how to win that as well. But if you guys want to see swatches and my thoughts on this new collection, then just keep on watching. So the new KKW collab with KYLIE Cosmetics retails for $42. In here you have 4 different lip colors. You have 2 matte shades, a velvet shade, and also a gloss. So I'm gonna swatch all 4 shades for you guys, and then we'll get into the lip swatches. First up, we have the shade Soul Sister. This is what I'm wearing on my lips today. This is a really pretty shade because it's like a really nice kind of brick red, a little bit more of like a burgundy red shade and not like a true like fire truck red. I was trying to think of like a bright red example. And then next, this is the shade Double Trouble. This one has more of like an orangey hint to it. It's a really nice winter deep shade. So those are the 2 matte shades in this collection. They look really similar, but when you guys see the lip swatches, you'll see the difference for sure. Then next up, we have the velvet shade. This shade is called Twinning, and this is the first time that I tried a velvet shade from KYLIE Cosmetics, and I actually really like this. I wore this all day eating and drinking, and it was still on at the end of the day. So it's definitely opaque, but it's still gonna transfer a little bit throughout the day. And when it does wear down, it's still gonna wear down really like subtle and not anything like too crazy where it just like comes off completely. And then lastly, we have the metallic gloss. This is the shade Main Bay. I don't like the wand on this because it's like one of those brush tip wands. This is actually the first time I'm trying a gloss from KYLIE Cosmetics, and this is definitely more of like a chocolate gloss shade. So those are all 4 shades, the 2 mattes, the velvet, and the gloss. I'm gonna go ahead into the lip swatches so you can see how they apply and how they look on my lips. So first up, I'm gonna start off with the gloss in the shade Main Bay, and this is my least favorite in the collection just because on its own, it's a little tricky to apply. It's definitely messy to apply. Like I feel like I'm painting it on like nail polish. All right, so the color of this I really like, but the application is just a mess because like as I go to put on more, it's like wiping it away at the same time. But this is a really pretty color and it looks better on top of another color. So I'll never wear this on its own just because I feel like the second I step out of the house in this by itself, it's gonna get all over my face, it's gonna get all over my teeth. It's already getting on my teeth, I can tell. So next up, we have the velvet shade Twinning. Really like this color. It's like a dark nude, like a rosy mauve shade. You can tell it goes on super opaque, like a liquid lipstick. So this one's definitely way better than the gloss. Really nice formula, super opaque. You can apply it really like precisely. You don't need a lip liner with it. It stays on really nicely. It feels like a liquid lipstick when it's almost dry, but it's not quite there yet. So for reference, this is what it looks like when I kiss my hand. So you guys can see how it's gonna transfer on like drinks and stuff. It is gonna budge a little bit, but it's not gonna be like a full on, like your lipstick's gonna come off. It's still gonna look fully opaque on your lips. So that's what I really like about this formula. It's super comfortable. So next up, we have the Brick Tone Matte Shade Double Trouble. Has a little bit of like a burnt orange hint to it. So this is a gorgeous red with a little bit of like a deep burnt orange to it. Really pretty color, super opaque, super matte as well. Really long wearing. Really like this shade. So this is definitely something that's gonna stay in place all day. Kind of like a deep red. Oh, I really love this color. It's like a gorgeous winter shade. And then lastly, we have the shade Soul Sister, which you guys saw me wearing in the intro of this video. So this shade is kind of similar to Double Trouble, but it doesn't have any hint of orange in it. So I'm also gonna just top off this shade a little bit with the gloss in Main Bay, just so you guys can see what it looks like layered on. Ooh. I really like that. So that just adds like a little bit of like a deep gold, like a bronzy gold reflect. It just makes it look like very metallic, but in a subtle way, like a really subtle, like wearable metallic. Reminds me a lot of my Smashbox liquid lipstick in Vino Noir, which is like a burgundy metallic shade. That's like my favorite winter color, and this like is super similar. It just has a little bit more of a hint of like that brown chocolatey tone in it too. I really like this combination. I think that's how I'm gonna end up wearing this gloss instead of like wearing it on its own because it was just too messy. Alright guys, so those are all of the swatches of all 4 shades in this collection. I really like all of the shades. I don't like the gloss as much as the other shades. I don't see myself wearing the gloss as often, but definitely for the liquid lipsticks and also the velvet lipstick, really like the colors, and those are all colors that I definitely like to wear during the winter. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the velvet formula, but I definitely really like it. It's also a shade that's gonna be like super wearable for like every day for winter too. So that's gonna be everything for the review and swatches. I also bought a second collection so I can give one away to you guys as well. I always feel like Kylie Cosmetics sells out really quickly. I don't purchase from them often because of that. So I wasn't sure if this collection was gonna sell out really quickly, so I wanted to make sure that one of you guys could get this collection as well. I feel like these are really nice wearable shades for winter and are gonna be really flattering on a lot of different complexions, so I thought you guys would be interested. So if you guys want to enter to win the giveaway, there'll be a giveaway link in my description box, and all of the giveaway rules will be in there as well. I also have a holiday giveaway going on my channel right now as well, so I will link that below too if you guys want to check that out if you're not entered to that giveaway either. The giveaway will be open for a couple of weeks, so you have some time to enter. And that's gonna be everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you purchased the collection in the comments down below. Let me know what your favorite shade was as well. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.